Hey everybody, welcome to Saving Greens Homestead. This is Keisha, and I am here in the high desert of Southern California. Just wanted to bring you guys and show you guys an update on my front yard planting that I've done. I put all of the branches over the seeds that I planted. This guy keeps bugging me. I put all the branches over the seeds that I just planted. And then I planted those bulbs and flowers in here, along with those irises. Ouch, kitty, stop. Look, he just keeps following me and messing with me. Go hound somebody else. So, ouch, go away, stop. Being a little jerk face. He just bit me. Anyway, so I wanted to show you guys that, and then this walkway here, I'm gonna start working on it next. I have what I need to put down to get it installed, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Also, as you can see over here, I put this weed fabric down. This is to keep my cats. Oh, he's chasing my daughter now. This is to keep the cats out of my bed here. And I'm going to plant some more irises out here because I have some more in the backyard. I'm going to put irises and some sunflowers. Get those seeds planted out here and some other surprises. So I'm not going to give it all away. And then I was just soaking the middle part of this flower bed here because I have something to show you guys. Look at that. We bought the trees that we're gonna plant in our two containers out here, our two flower beds. And the one going in that flower bed, I don't know if you can read that. It's called a forest pansy redbud. And you guys, I learned something now. See, I wanted all the trees, all the plants and stuff for the most part. Oh, he's back. I wanted them to be edible or medicinal, something that I could use. And this redbud is definitely that. It's considered a legume. And the seed pods on it are edible. And I was told the flowers are too. And in fact, some bakers use the flowers. They sugar them up and use them on cakes and stuff. So that was interesting. And you can use it, I guess, in tea. Go away, kitty. And stuff. So I was really happy about that. It's not going to get super big, but it's going to have drop all its leaves in the fall, and in winter it'll go dormant, and in springtime it'll form yellow flowers all along the stems. So I'm excited to see that. And then this one is an ornamental plum, or some people call them cherry plums. And as you can see, it's real pretty, the color. I love these. And this one also will have fruits on it that are edible. I was told they were really, really good. I don't know. We'll see once it starts growing. But that one is going to go in here. So I'm going to place the big tree first. And then I'm going to work on digging this one out for the smaller. Well, it's not really smaller, is it? For the plum tree. So I'll just do them one at a time. And then, you guys, I've been selling these tomato plants, trying to get them all gone. And this is what I'm left with now. I have a few other people that are going to be coming over to pick up some tomato plants. And hopefully I'll get these all sold and out of here so I don't have to worry about them anymore. It is windy today. It's been windy. I gotta update you guys on some other things that's been happening because of this wind. I've had tomato plants snap in half. I've had, it's just a lot. And I'll show it to you in a second. I have to go in the backyard to show you, but this wind has been horrible. I'll see you guys in the backyard. This is why he kept trying to trip me up and kept biting at my ankles and being a little jerk face. Because he wanted to eat. It was his feeding time, but my daughter is the one who feeds him, not me. So when she came outside briefly and he saw her, he took off after her. I guess his little charms work because he's eating. That's why we call him Jerkface. His name is Sonny, but AKA Jerkface. Because he can be a little jerk sometimes, well, most times. And then look at Max. Well, Max knows better not to mess with him, with Sonny and his food. Because Sonny is a jerk face, like I said. He was scared to walk past him. I'm about to pick a whole bunch of this red chard to go with my dinner tonight that I'm gonna make for my mom. It's a lot, but I need to get rid of these anyways and get these all harvested so that I can plant other stuff in this bed. So this happened because of the wind. This limb with all these apples snapped, and I was able to put it back together and tape it, but I don't know if it's gonna save the apples because as you can see they're all shriveling up. Some of them are still kind of solid, but there's a lot of them that are just shriveled, so they're probably ruined. I only have a few more apples left of this variety. The bulk of them was on this stem, so yeah, I'm sad about that. I am really sad about that because I was looking forward to a huge apple harvest, and then this limb is bent over, and I'm hoping that I can figure something out because this wind is relentless. So, and then I do have some apple buds on my Arkansas Black, so I'm hoping for some fruit that I can try, but I don't know. And I do have some on my Honeycrisp too. See that one? There's a few of them on there. But with this wind, I don't know. This wind is really upsetting me. Not only did it mess those up, but I had to do some crafty work with this one because this tomato plant broke. This big beautiful plant snapped in half down below, so I patched up and pulled up the dirt around it so it could fix itself. Hopefully it is, because it was all shriveled and wimpy and sad looking, and now it looks like this, so hopefully it's good. And then this one broke, and you can see it's hard to tell on video, but I mounded up dirt around it to try and get it back. But this wind, it's like this in the desert. It's like this a lot. That was my biggest complaint, why I had to get, my husband got me one of those external mics with the fuzzy cover so that you guys wouldn't hear all the wind noise. But I'm gonna come back and show you guys more of what's new in my garden and update you on what's new. I've been doing a lot of work, but right now I gotta go inside and cook because my mom is coming over, and so I wanted to make her something good for dinner. So I will get back to you guys most likely tomorrow.
Yeah, some are from my gardener here.
Oh, from in my gardener?
In my gardener.
Luke?
Yes.
Yeah, I buy a lot of my seeds from there too.
Yes.
He's still one of the more
I think this one's from him, Delicious Tomato.
oh yeah, he's still one of the more
Reputable, like,
yes,
seeds.
and low cost, you know.
Yes.
Not very expensive.
Mhm.
You didn't happen to get those giant the crimson giant tomato seeds that he did?
Crimson Tomato? No.
He
I didn't hear
had,
about those.
yeah,
I think he was sold out for a while.
yep. Every time he announced that he had some in stock, they sold out within hours.
Wow.
And I could not get my hands on some. But yeah,
I buy my stuff like in the winter time.
okay,
Like around November when I start ordering garlic is when I start ordering my seeds.
okay,
I
yeah.
don't have the patience to wait spring to, buy my seeds.
That's why when I'm selling my starts, my extras, it helps to replace what I spent.
Exactly. Yeah.
So have you been gardening for a long time, or?
I've been gardening since 2018.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That is a long time.
Yeah. Slowly it's been growing, and I have my own orchard as well.
Or even a tomato. My Hungarian heart did not.
Yeah, they're kind of like slow.
I love Kellogg's breakfast. It's my favorite. That's why I grew a whole bunch of those this year.
It's my first time growing it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've never tried one ever.
They're beautiful. Big orange slicer. Very good if you want to use it like in a BLT or tomato sandwich. It's good. Sweet. Has a great flavor.
Yeah, I have my pepper plants in the back that I'm gonna plant, but looks like I'm gonna be having a bunch more. Yeah, I think in a couple weeks I'll have like corn and pumpkin, sugar pie pumpkin, and watermelon,
Yeah.
and cantaloupe. It grows really nice out here.
What are you gonna do with all the rest of the ones? Are you gonna choose other dates to
Yes, I'm gonna be out here next Saturday.
next Saturday?
Yeah, because I'll have finals next week.
Okay.
So then once I'm there, I'm gonna be trying to do it every weekend. So I start summer school again.
Around the same time?
Yes, from 7 to 2.
Okay. Okay, so I know there's a few of you that are on here that are subscribed to my channel that lives locally here in the high desert that follow me. So you guys, when you get a chance to, next Saturday, Alma's gonna be out here with all of her plants. And hopefully she can get all these sold so that it can help her with her paying for her expenses and stuff for nursing school. So it's for a great cause. So thank you so much. It was great meeting you.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.
And I am going to feature these as much as possible as they grow and talk about them. So,
They're gonna start pop locking in.
no.